The following video is a OMNITURN GT-75 CNC gang type lathe. Chris is going to run a brief video demonstration for us today.
Okay, we're just going to go through, let's see if the axis are working good. We'll move the Z-axis back and forth. We'll down the X-axis. All right, we're going to do a quick spindle test. That's 500 RPM. That's 1,000 RPM. That's 1,500 RPM. And that's 2,000 RPM. Also, we have our collet open and close. Can't really see it, but it does work.
Again, the preceding video is an OMNITURN GT-75 CNC gang lathe.